Here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at SouthPark Mall in Strongsville, Ohio. It's coming down. There it is. Nice cab. Alright, let's go up to 2. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Wow, that motor was epic, holy crap. Here we are at 2, let's go back down to 1. Get a cab view. Very dark, a very nice cab. Here we are at 1. Go for another ride. All right, here we go. This motor is sick. All right, let's go back down to 1. 3,500 pound capacity. Here's our phone. This is definitely my favorite Dillard elevator. This is definitely better than the one in Beechwood Place. Here we are at 1. We're gonna go ahead and get off. Let's watch it close. And that's it.